Welcome everyone to today's presentation on the types of machine learning. We'll explore what machine learning is, understand its significance in today's technology landscape, and delve into the primary types, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Let's start with supervised learning. In supervised learning, the model is trained on labeled data, meaning each trained example is paired with an output label. Common algorithms include linear regression for predicting continuous values, decision trees for classification tasks, and support vectors machine for complex decision boundaries. Applications of supervised learning are widespread, including spam detection in emails, image classification in computer vision, and predictive analytics in various industries. Next is unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. The goal is to identify hidden patterns or intrinsic structures within the data. Common algorithms include k-means clustering for grouping similar data points, hierarchical clustering for building nested clusters, and principal components analysis for dimensionality reduction. Applications include customer segmentation in marketing, anomaly detection in network security, and market basket analysis in retail. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. This type involves an agent that learns to make decisions by interacting with the environment and receiving feedback in the form of rewards or penalties. Key components include the agent, the environment, and the reward system. Common algorithms are Q-learning, deep Q networks, and policy gradients. Reinforcement learning is applied in areas such as robotics for task automation, game playing as seen with AlphaGo, and the development of autonomous vehicles. To summarize, supervised and unsupervised learning differ primarily in the type of data they use, labeled versus unlabeled, and their objectives, prediction versus pattern discovery. Reinforcement learning stands apart as it focuses on decision making over time through interaction with the environment. Choosing the right type of machine learning depends on the specific problem you're aiming to solve and the nature of your data. In conclusion, we explore the three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its unique methodology and application, making it crucial to select appropriate approach based on the problem at hand. As technology advances, we can expect these machine learning techniques to become even more integral to innovations across various fields. Thank you for attention and see you in my next lecture.